So I'm up at the Carron Valley Reservoir and Forest, and we decided that we're going to get away. But to be fair, it was more Neil's decision. I wanted to stay in the house and be blood shitless. But yeah, so we're heading down to the shores and we're gonna chill for the, well, I don't know, I'm in two minds, because at the top of this hill there is a World War II plane wreck as well. But to be fair, I'm fucking hot. I wanna just chill. So I think I'm just gonna find a decent enough pitch for tonight and relax. You know, one thing that I do find really cool about these forestry areas is when you make walking sticks and hiking sticks, this is like Mecca for finding them, because you get some awesome leftovers. 3 guesses at what he's after. I'm contemplating whether I go up there or whether we follow the path round that way and down onto the shore of the reservoir for the night. It's fucking hot, and to be fair, I've probably packed too much, but what can you do? Well, looks like it's decision time, because we've got a fork in the road, and to be fair, I think I'm going to take the right road. You know, when you make a decision and you start to immediately regret it. Oh, he doesn't. I might be. At least we're in the shade now. What a fucking view. I came from right down there. Oh, I thought, no. I came from down there, I think. Somewhere along there. I've still got out there to go. I think that's the top of Meikle. But apparently the path turns off to the left, just around this corner. I'll say it once and I'll say it again. That fucking view. And that view. Final push. I found a picnic table. I was gonna, plane, look. You can see it just up at the top there. There's turning to Glasgow Airport over these hills. And then if you look over on that hill over there, you can just see the observatory on the top there. And then that's all the Trossachs and Loch Lomond. We've just come from right at the bottom there. Excuse the wind, I was going to have a coffee, but I think I'd struggle getting the camping stuff lit. I might try and get up there and then get around that edge. I was that hot I had to take my t-shirt off. I'm just trying to wear it out a little bit because it's piss wet through. I've got to try and sleep in that tonight. She's pretty happy. Got 2 extra balls just in case. You're only halfway through a climb and you think, I'm in over my head. Holy shit, that view is absolutely breathtaking. So I'm heading up to see a World War II crashed German plane. And, I've been wanting to get up and see this place for quite a while. And, I'm nearly there. Just got this last little bit. Well, I hope it might be another false horizon, but we'll see. And this little tit's doing my tits in, because all he wants me to do is chuck the fucking ball, and I can barely chuck myself up this hill. But yeah, let's crack on. I just fucking realised I lost one of my earrings. I have to make some more. But I have no idea where they would have gone. So we're going up to the top now. There. See the trig point. Before we get up to the top, let's go and check this out before somebody pisses on it. Pretty cool. So what happened was they were trying to get over the hill and they fucking didn't. In a nutshell. Apparently there's some more somewhere, so let's wander up to the top, see if we can see any more. Not there yet. Give me a minute. Oh shit. Hands in the way. Made it. Help a nickel bin. It's another one. Take off. Holy shit. Let me show you this view. Because this is absolutely stunning. Shit, my battery's about to die. Well, I've been up here for about an hour. Managed to get a bit of life back in my phone. Just enjoying the view because you can see every peak today. It is absolutely stunning. I don't think you can see Ben Nevis, unfortunately. That's somewhere over the back, over the Meikle, which is the tallest one you can see there. But it's absolutely fucking breathtaking, all directions. We came from down there, my first wild camp, was over this side somewhere. Me and Kemp usually go over that side. And I'm contemplating dropping down, maybe into this bit tonight for a camp. Don't know. Two minds. Because you've got a little bin here as well, which has got some really nice camp spots on the top as well. And if you look right over there, see if I can focus in on it. Just, where's my finger? Just here, there's the Severn Estuary and the 3 bridges. I'll see if I can get a photo of it. I'm trying to get these colours. Stunning. That's my view. Holy fuck. Fucking love Scotland. Well, I've just done a whole fucking 20-minute talk to the camera, and I was on the photo setting. But yeah, lovely. Got the dinner on. Macaroni and cheese. And we're just chilling. I took a put his glow in the dark thing on because he likes to run off. Yeah, the shot is pretty chilled in here. We're pretty chilled out with Neil. Move over. Move so I can get him. Shift. Move over. He's not liking it because I'm on a hill. And he's sliding down. Oh. Is that what we moan for? So, after the wind picked up on the top, decided that I was going to head back down and try and find somewhere a little bit calmer. So we're back in the trees towards the bottom now. If I don't find anywhere here, I'm just going to camp on the beach for the night. If I can get down to it after all the rain. We'll see. It's 5:20 and I'm all packed up. Coffee's ready and sun's not up yet, but I wanted to head back to the car before the midges get bad. But yeah, what a good night. It's actually really mild as well. He's pissed off because I stopped throwing his ball for him. Well, felt that this was as good a time as any to end the video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Didn't do too much, but nice to get out again. Nice to finally get to the top of Meikle. See you in the next one.